I'm sure you have posted some videos on your Instagram page, and now you are wondering if you can check who has viewed your video or not. Well, I'm here to show you how. If you want to check out who has viewed your videos on Instagram, if you post that video on your story, as long as your story is active, you will see who has viewed your story, every single one who has seen it, or every single person who has had interactions with it, like liking or commenting. You will see all of them. But after your story disappears, if you highlight it, you will be able to see who has liked it or has had interactions with it, but not all the people who have viewed it. Now, if you post a video like this one, after posting it, you will only see the people who have liked it. For example, this video, 218 people have liked it and 1,600 people have viewed it. But the list I have here, I can only see 218 names. That's it, because Instagram doesn't allow me to see the list of people who have viewed it, only the people who have liked it. Unfortunately, still Instagram doesn't let us see who has viewed our videos, but I hope this is a feature that Instagram will offer to us in the near future.